I'm gonna get into a headband because I hate when my hair gets wet. And I found this really cute bunny headband. So I kind of like it, it's damn cute. I'm gonna take my hair also back fully. It's cute, na? So I actually do a particular mask which is my favorite, which has a lot of probiotic, Greek yogurt kind of stuff, which जो मेरी बहन ले गई है और मैं बहुत देर से ढूंढने की कोशिश करी थी, मुझे नहीं मिल रहा था और I just called her and she's in Jaipur right now and she's taken my favorite mask like always. But it's okay, we have another one. I have lots of masks. So my face is washed. It has nothing on it. I just washed it. My hands are washed. Very important. So I'm gonna start with putting this mask, which is very creamy, like you can see. Okay, I don't know. I've never done this before. How do you do this? Does this get focus on? No, it's not happening. Oh, it's happening. So you put it on. I like using my hands only because I just feel कि मुझे पता है मैं कितना प्रेशर डाल रही हूँ, मैं कितना स्प्रेड कर रही हूँ, and my hands are, I know, very very clean. कोई ब्रश वगैरह होता है तो उसमें पता नहीं होता है कितना क्लीन है कितना नहीं, क्योंकि ये एक हाइड्रेटिंग मास्क है. I also go on my under eyes a little. Okay, I'm going to take a little bit on my neck as well. Okay, now that the mask is done, while I wait, कुछ 20 से 30 minutes I think, I'm going to wait and keep this mask, let it all sink in and have a little hot water with lemon. It's important to hydrate from inside as well. So I'm going to do that and I will chill and just roam around a little bit, maybe play with my dogs, and I'll be back in about 30 minutes. I find it easier to just take it off. Now I've called for these microfiber towels, which are very very soft, like extremely soft. My face is still slightly damp. So skincare में हमेशा thinness consistency से thickest में जाते हैं, मतलब जितना watery content है, पहले जो watery products हैं, toners वगैरह, वो पहले, and then you go thicker moisturizer and at the end oil, क्योंकि oil के ऊपर कुछ भी लगेगा वो अंदर नहीं जाएगा. So oil is your last step if at all you like using oil. So here I have recently started using this toner. मैं normally green tea toner है ये जो मैं यूज़ करती हूँ. Green tea antioxidants होते हैं, तो it is very very good and nourishing and hydrating and it's also brightening. ये एक नया टोनर है जो मैं literally 3 दिन से यूज़ कर रही हूँ. It's got niacinamide. Niacinamide is vitamin B basically, and niacinamide is very very good for all kinds of skin. It's good for brightening, it's good for calming your skin, it's nice for nourishing. जो excess oil हमारी skin produce करती है वो stop करता है. So it's a very nice toner for day. मैं हर morning लगाती हूँ without fail. I always put vitamin C. It's brightening, it's got antioxidants, it's hydrating. And vitamin C जो है वो आपके SPF को भी help करता है. So it's actually very very good. So I just put it and then I just pat it. हम लोग हर चीज़ में eyelids भूल जाते हैं और सबसे पहले eyelids जो है वो sag करना शुरू हो जाती है, and then we're like, oh my eyelid is sagging because you have not moisturized it, you've not given it anything good and it's dry and that's why it starts sagging. So make sure you put everything hydrating on your eyelids also. I next go with an SPF. Now मुझे पसंद नहीं है कि मैं अलग से मॉइस्चराइजर लगाऊं और फिर अलग से SPF लगाऊं. So I use this moisturizing sunscreen. It is very hydrating and it's called ceramides. Now ceramides are proteins and basically amino acids and everything that your skin is built up from, and it's very hydrating. तो अगर मैं घर पे हूँ, मैं कहीं नहीं जा रही हूँ, तो फिर मैं ये यूज़ करती हूँ. अगर मैं कहीं कोई मीटिंग के लिए जा रही हूँ, if I'm like stepping out, then I mix this with like a tinted sunscreen. So I mix two. But today I'm actually at home. Some sort of peptide or ceramide in your daily routine is very good. आपका जो collagen है, elastin है, everything जो आपकी skin आपको इलास्टिसिटी देता है. ये सारे प्रोटीन्स होते हैं which are basically ceramides. And जो बचता है back of your hands, especially in the morning. My night skincare routine is a little more complicated and it changes with how my skin is feeling and what I've done the previous day, and I keep experimenting with my night skincare routine. Very, very important, do not miss your SPF. Sunscreen is extremely important because in the long run, sun damage is very difficult to reverse. That is my morning skincare routine. I hope you